So guys, welcome to our channel once again. In today's video, we have here these 10 questions to answer on the topic heat energy. So guys, this video will be about effects of heat on matter. So in short, to stay till the end of this video. Let's go ahead and start with the first question here. It says, a pressurized film bottle is left on the window pane of a room. What happens to the gas molecules of the perfume on a sunny day? They A. Expand, B. Collide less often, C. Move more rapidly, D. Contract. So guys, the answer to this question here is option C. They move more rapidly as a result of the sun and the effect of the heat on the molecules. The molecules tend to move more rapidly, and that's it for this question. Let's go ahead and consider the next question, guys. So that's question number 2 here. It says, which of the following statements about evaporation is not correct? We have A. The rate of evaporation of a liquid varies with temperature. B. Evaporation occurs when faster molecules escape from the surface of a liquid. C. The molecules of an evaporating liquid have an average speed. And D. Evaporation takes place inside a liquid. So guys, the odd option here is option D here. So actually evaporation occurs when faster molecules escape the surface of a liquid. The rate also of evaporation of a liquid varies with temperature, and the molecules of evaporating liquid have an average speed. But guys, evaporation does not take place inside the liquid. Rather, it takes place as the molecules escapes the liquid. And that's it for this question. So let's look at the next question here. Question number 3 says, which of the following statements is correct about the effects of dissolved salt on the freezing point of water? We have A. The freezing point is increased. B. There is no change in the freezing point. C. The freezing point is lowered. D. The change in the freezing point depends on the temperature of the surrounding. So guys, the answer to this question is option C. The freezing point is lowered. So the effect of dissolved salt on the freezing point of water is it lowers the freezing point, and that's it for this question. Let's go ahead and consider the next question, guys. So that's question number 4 here. It says, ether produces a cooling effect when it is poured on the hand because it has A. Low conductivity, B. Low latent heat of vaporization, C. High conductivity, and D. High latent heat of vaporization. So guys, the answer to this question is option B. That's low latent heat of vaporization. So let's go ahead and consider the next question, guys. So that's question number 5 here. It says, which of the following statements is an effect of compressing gas molecules at constant temperature? A. The pressure on the molecules decrease. B. The molecules gain more kinetic energy. C. The molecules increase in size. D. The molecules make more impact per second on the walls of the container. So guys, the answer to this question is option D. The molecules make more impact per second on the walls of the container. And that's it for this question. So let's go ahead and consider the next question, guys. So that's question number 6 here. It says, which of the following surfaces will radiate heat energy best? We have A. Yellow surface, B. White surface, C. Red surface, and D. Black surface. So guys, black surface will radiate more heat energy, and that's it for this question. So let's go ahead and consider the next question, guys. So the next question we have here is question number 7. It says, which of the following factors decreases the rate of evaporation of liquid? You have A. Lowering the boiling point. B. Increase in pressure over the liquid. C. Wind. D. Decrease in humidity. So guys, the answer to this question is option B. Increase in pressure over the liquid. So when pressure is decreased over the liquid, it tends to decrease the rate of evaporation of the liquid. And that's it for this question. So let's go ahead and consider the next question, guys. So that's question number 8 here. It says, the temperature of a liquid falls after some of it has evaporated because A. The more energetic molecules have escaped into the atmosphere. B. The liquid left has latent heat. C. The liquid left is smaller in volume and the breeze easily cools it. D. After evaporation, impurities are left behind. So guys, the answer to this question here is option A. The more energetic molecules have escaped into the atmosphere. And that's it for this question. So let's go ahead and consider the next question, guys. So guys, the next question here is question number 9. It says, the thermopile is a device for detecting A. X-rays, B. Presence of electrons, C. Radiant energy, D. Radioactive radiation. So guys, the answer to this question is option C, and that's radiant energy. So let's go ahead and consider the next and last question, guys. So guys, the question here is question number 10. It says, water boils at a lower temperature when heated at the top of a mountain than at a sea level, because at the top of the mountain, the A. Sun adds more heat to the water. B. Temperature is lower than at the sea level. C. Saturation vapor pressure of water is higher than at the sea level. D. Pressure of the atmosphere is lower. So guys, the answer to this question is atmospheric pressure is lower, and that's option D. So option D is the correct answer to this question, and this is where we'll end this video for today. So if you enjoyed this lesson, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you're not yet a subscriber. Also, if you have any specific question regarding this video, you can drop your question on the comment section below and we'll ensure to give you a response. So finally guys, we want to encourage you to join our YouTube channel community. So you can join this community by hitting the join button below, and we'll see you right there. Thank you once again for watching this video, and see you on the next one.